Alright, welcome back everybody. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to change a pinion gear on either a MY1020, EC4P. I'm not sure if the FW11 is different or... Oh no, the Kunray FR5V has to be the same too, I'm sure. So this should be on most of these size motors. Alright, to start you're going to need a 10 mil wrench and a 12 mil socket. Go ahead and slip that 10 mil right on the stator, I believe is what it's called. And slip your 12 mil on there. And this is going to be opposite threaded, so you're going to want to crank this bad boy to the right, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull my fucking chain off. Okay, now we got the chain off. Now go ahead and keep twisting the nut off in the washer. Pull it up. Ooh, that was stuck on there. Alright, I just had to pry it off of here with the wrench, but got it off. So we got 9 and 10T right here. 9, the nut barely even fits on, and I think the chain, yeah, you could even see on there where the chain was rubbing on the fucking nut. Look how small that is. Okay, now we're gonna go to 10, and I'm waiting for my 80T to come. Once my 82 rear sprocket comes, I'm gonna get probably 11 in the front and 80 in the back. Does that sound like a good ratio, guys? Okay, now same process. Go ahead and slip this gear back on here. Make sure you line it up. Give it a little love tap. Make sure that is on there, goddamn. Well, I'll be damned. Maybe when I crank it down. Okay, now remember, we gotta spin this to the left to tighten it. Go ahead and thread this biatch to the left. Get your 10 mil back on there. And when I tightened it down, I felt the sprocket slide back into place. Okay, let's throw this chain back around here. Yeah, look, now the chain's not touching. Before the chain was definitely touching. Go ahead and put this rear one back on. Okay. Now we're gonna have to go. Now let's go inside the app and change my gear ratio. Okay, here you go, guys. So here's the app. Let me turn this baby on. Okay, bike's on, stop scanning a little bit. Connected. Firmware update, I'm gonna do that later. Okay, now you gotta go into the settings. Power, I have 3.65 kilowatts, 50 battery amps. Torque, 140 battery or phase amps. Throttle aggression, 25. Speed, 36 miles an hour. no regen. I have a freewheel on here. Got me a razor, 20 cells, 210 discharge, max charge rate 10 amps, motor EC4P, Sur on throttle, gear ratio. 1 second, honey. Okay, so we're putting a 10 for a front tooth, and rear is 64. Done. Okay, 6.4 SXMX. Okay, now let's go ahead and save these settings. Tilt my wheel up. Hopefully the ratio is still good. Let's see what it says. Okay, it doesn't say my gear ratio is gonna heat up my motor. Now, let's try this, baby. Okay, I got it. There we go. I might be getting a welded free wheel, or I might get a welder and weld my own free wheel. Alright guys, there she goes, my final build. Of course, got the Razor 5000 in the back, 48 volts, 1000 watts, 36 volts, 1000 watts, 72 volts, 5000 watts. Oh yeah, I got the moped back there, 48 volts, probably 3500 watts maybe. Boy, got my SX over here. It's got a VVOR controller, ENC motor, heatsink, 72V, Zoom hydraulics. Got them builds, boys. I still got my crazy cart in my storage, and a drift car, RSF 350, MX 125, and 2 little Mongoose mini bikes. Well, hope this video has helped you guys. Let's go ahead and click on that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button, boy. Thank you guys for watching.